Lament is a Christian's language of suffering. It's kind of building upon an idea that we had a couple weeks ago. And it's so true that lament is a Christian's language of suffering. You see, if our faith doesn't have space through lament, we'll walk down paths that don't seem to have any purpose. If our faith does not have space for lament, to cry out to God, to be honest with our sorrows, to be honest with our pain, then we'll walk down paths that don't seem to have any purpose. You see, there's two paths of suffering. One path that we walk away from God. Forget it. This is too much. This isn't what I've signed up for. So God, I curse you and I walk my own path. The second path is recognizing my suffering. As Pastor Jeff said, I've got to accept the blessings and the suffering with the same hands. I can't accept one and reject the other. So both blessings and suffering, I turn towards God and I go to God with my rejoicing in the good times, and I go to God with my lament in the tough times. And lament is a language of suffering. And we don't have to fool ourselves as if nothing is going wrong. We can identify it and say, God, this is what I'm going through. I don't get it. I don't see a purpose right now, but God, I will trust you.